Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of To the Point. Today's topic of discussion is Great Indian Bustard. First of all, let's see why it is in the news. Under the Union Environment Ministry's Bustard Recovery Program, 4 Great Indian Bustard or the GIB chicks were recently hatched within a single week. This success was achieved through artificial insemination at the Sudasari Breeding Center in Jaisalmer. Now let's discuss about Bustard Recovery Program. The Bustard Recovery Project was launched in 2016 near the Desert National Park for an initial period of 5 years from 2016 to 2021 and was later extended until 2024. It aims to conserve India's bustard species, primarily the Great Indian Bustard and potentially the Lesser Florican. Implemented in collaboration with the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, State Forest Departments, International Fund for Houbara Conservation and NGO partners. The project stresses the need for long-term efforts of 15 to 20 years to achieve meaningful conservation outcomes. Its objectives include conservation breeding to secure ex situ populations, applied research to identify priority areas, assess threats, monitor populations, understand livelihoods, and study genetics. Capacity building and advocacy to improve protection, raise public awareness, sensitize stakeholders, and promote bustard-friendly land uses, and pilot habitat management to showcase replicable conservation practices. These multi-pronged efforts aim to enhance bustard protection and foster sustainable coexistence with human activities across their natural habitats. Now let's talk about the Great Indian Bustard. The Great Indian Bustard or Idiotis nigriceps, locally called Godawan, is the state bird of Rajasthan and is considered India's most critically endangered bird. It is considered the flagship grassland species, representing the health of the grassland ecology. Its population is confined mostly to Rajasthan and Gujarat. Small populations occur in Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. The bird is under constant threats due to collision, electrocution with power transmission lines, hunting, habitat loss, and alteration as a result of widespread agricultural expansion. Great Indian bustards are a slow reproducing species. They lay a few eggs and have almost a year-long parental care of chicks. The GIB achieves maturity in around 3 to 4 years. Now let's discuss about protection status of Great Indian Bustard. IUCN Red List, Critically Endangered, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora or the CITES, Appendix 1. Convention on Migratory Species, CMS, Appendix 1. Wildlife Protection Act 1972, Schedule 1. Now lastly, moving on to why do power lines pose a threat? Power lines pose a threat to Great Indian bustards due to their poor frontal vision and heavy body, which limits quick maneuvering. As low flyers, they often fail to detect power lines in time, leading to fatal collisions. Most GIB deaths near power lines result from collisions rather than electrocution, making overhead lines a major conservation concern. Now is the time for practice question. Consider the following statements about Great Indian bustards. 1. The Great Indian Bustard is the state bird of Gujarat. 2. It is enlisted as endangered on the IUCN Red List. Which of the statements given above is correct or are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. And D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.
For more informative content, like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.